Hello everyone! Have you heard about daily trading? It is type of trading that opens and closes the financial position within a day. This technique requires a more precise range of prices that you can make an arbitrage during a day. In this video, we will discuss this new term and apply it to the Bitcoin trading pair. Subscribe to our KuCoin YouTube channel and smash that bell button to follow our future updates. Before we talk about the main content of today's video, let's quickly take a look at the table of content. Firstly, we will quickly walk through the definition of pivot point. Then we will try to identify this technique in the trading wheel. Last, I will bring you some trading tips when you intend to use the pivot point during your crypto trading. So what is pivot point? Pivot point is a technical indicator that reveals both support and the resistance levels. Normally, when you draw a pivot point for a crypto, you will have 5 pairs of the support and the resistance levels. We just need to focus on one pair of them. In addition, prices will move between these boundaries in the most situation. So if the price touches the boundaries, it would highly form a trend. In this way, we can follow the trend and gain the profit. From this panel, you can see that the panel of the trading wheel is similar to that of KuCoin, since all the data in our trading interface are from the trading view. Firstly, you need to find the pivot point standard item in the Indicators, Metrics, and Strategies button. Then, you can click this button and find 5 pairs of resistance and support levels. In this way, you must click out the last 4 pairs and preserve the first pair. Voila! You got different support and resistance levels for a month trading period. As we already discussed, primary trend will last more than a month, so you can see that the primary trend is formed below the support level or above the resistance level. If the price breaks the support level or the resistance level, a new trend will be formed, which is the core theory of pivot point. So how to apply this indicator to our daily trading? Firstly, we should contract the period into 1 hour. Then we will determine whether the support level and the resistance level will last for several days. We just pretend the price is just like a ball bouncing around these levels so that we can short around the resistance level and buy them at the support level. However, it could be a new trend if the trend touches either the resistance level or the support level. Then you will have 2 choices. Firstly, you can assume that the pivot point indicator is inefficient in this situation. Then we can just quit daily trading. In addition, we can take the R2 and S2 as another start of a new trend. In this way, we need to come back to Dow theory to analyze this new trend and set up our new financial positions. It is because that those technical traders have an explanation about this zone between S1 and R1. They believe that most trading participants are individual investors if the price moves in this zone. The institutional investors will push the price out of this zone when they try to trade that is zone between S2 and R2. You should be aware that neither the support level nor the resistance level is a preset standard. Candlestick analysis will be double check tool for any technical indicators. Before we end this video, let us quickly make a recap. Firstly, we have introduced the definition of pivot point. We have known that it can precisely show the support and the resistance levels for a short trading period. In addition, we try to read this new term in the trading wheel. Last, I brought some trading tips when we apply this technique to the Bitcoin trading pair, long and short, the crypto in the zone between S1 and R1. if the institutional traders intend to enter the market, we have to double-check the trend by Dow theory and follow it in the zone between S2 and R2. It is the end of today's video. In the next session, the last tutorial in this phase, we will discuss some tips about risk management. This tutorial will give you hints about managing your investment of crypto trading and allocating your investment into different cryptos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!